Okay, welcome back to part 2. Welcome to part 2. We just literally left the Intercity in the siding because it's playing up. Right, film those points. Number 4 points is there. Here comes number 4. I'm amazed it actually worked though. I thought it would not work.
Yeah.
Right, here comes the nice little Grizzly and Union South Africa. And here comes my tie. Oh, hello. Oh god. Why am I even putting this thing back on it? Why am I putting on something which kills me? I'm just going to change an engine quickly. Right. I need to send up a diesel engine.
Wait, we're getting a diesel engine out?
It would be if things would actually work. Right, send him in there. You left that screwdriver.
Sorry!
You did what you did with the coal buckets 2 weekends ago. Left them too close to the tracks and Lucy ran them off the line.
Yeah, it was your fault for
running.
running. It was your fault for running Lucy.
Now you put it on the tracks.
Oh, God.
Now you've done it even worse.
Right.
Right. What am I even doing?
Are we going?
I don't know why. I literally just gave up on life. How come I've just literally given up on life? I'm getting out my hole now for a minute.
Okay.
So I can put an engine back on the line. So not an engine, some coaches. Oh, you can smell the toilet. Oh, I smell plastic. You got bacon in it. So that there's toilet extractor fan pipe, and I think it might be a bit broken. Oh, that smells. Oh, that's bad. Somebody's done something bad in that toilet, I swear.
Oh my god. That stinks.
How can I
Oh my god.
I swear, if I find out who that was, they're dead. Right, you stay in there.